Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and SystemSettings.exe system error. So the system detected overload and stock pattern. The issues to how to fix, I giving you step by step. Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye. So guys, second solution is click to start button, type Windows security, means Windows Defender. Then click to protections, sorry, virus and threat protections, and protections scan options, and click to Microsoft, and then click to scan now. So this is actually Microsoft Defender offline scanner. So when you click to scan, then your system automatically restart and main boot type to scan. So do you have any open your data, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, so properly close and then click to start button. Okay, when you click, so automatically your system is restart and boot scanning start. Okay, third solutions, So open file manager, this PC, to right click, more options, open manage, then guys click to driver manager, update your display driver, display adapter, right click and update. Okay, then close. So guys, you do all step and then please check and restart your systems. Okay, and comment me.